What's going on, guys? Hope everyone had a good start to the new year. And you know what comes with New Year, right? Tax season. That time of year when millions of people, fill and cram offices, trying to in hopes of a refund. And I'll get into in another video later on, explaining what a tax refund actually is. But the purpose of this video is because I just wanted to bring some awareness to everyone. This time of year, you get people uh, that are tax preparers that aren't really practitioners, that are just been doing taxes for many years. And one thing, and they're just hitting. If you go on Twitter and you do a search, hashtag tax season or income taxes, man, it's insane. The stuff that you see on there is crazy. You have prepared people who call themselves preparers, guaranteeing max refunds and stuff like that. And let me be honest, there's tons of preparers out there that uh, make themselves out to be heroes because they get you this huge amount of money. But the reality is that you're getting yourself that amount of money because you are paying too much of your taxes throughout the course of the year. And that's another video that I'll get into. Uh, but I just want to caution everybody to be aware of who it is that you choose as your tax preparer. I've been doing taxes for the better part of well over 12 years. And, as you watch more of my videos, one thing you'll understand is that I absolutely hate with a passion to sell or try to convince someone for my services. Because I believe that if you're good at what you do and you know what you're doing, and you have nothing to hide, if you are, if you run a good business, if you run a good service, and you're genuine and you're authentic and you genuinely care about your clients, you don't have to convince anybody. There's no need to convince. There's no need for me to sit down with you and try to convince you. Please come with me. I'll get you max guaranteed money. Listen, I tell my tax clients, I can't make a guarantee that you're going to get max money because I don't know what your tax situation is this year. It can change year by year. So the first thing I do with my tax clients is I acquire all their paperwork and I tell them, listen, guys, I'm going to let you know what this says, and then I'll have a conversation and I'll explain what's going on. But if you have people that are guaranteeing you max money, watch out. If it's too good to be true, guys, more often than not, it's too good to be true. Especially when it comes to money. You don't want to mess with the IRS. Believe me, you don't want them knocking on your door, sending you bills because you don't want that. Be very careful with who you select. Ask for references. Don't be scared to ask for references. If the person that you're speaking to is a professional, trustworthy, that person should be able to provide you with references and certifications and qualifications without hesitation. So you're well within your rights to ask that. Do it. If this is your money, this is your livelihood, this is a culmination of your year's work. I would be cautious with who you choose. If you have questions, guys, hit me up in the comments below. Comment. If you like it, subscribe. Hit the like button. If you have any questions, I'm going to also link my email address at the bottom of the video. Send me an email. I'll be more than happy to help you. No strings attached. Like I said, I'm not trying to sell anybody with any services. I genuinely just want to help. Just because, do a Twitter search. Do a Twitter search on the hashtag tax season. What you're gonna see there is insane. That led me to come here and talk to you guys because it's ridiculous. There's so many people who lack education because there's an entire industry built around the lack of knowledge of taxpayers, and it purposely, it purposely exploits the lack of knowledge of tax preparers. So please, ladies and gentlemen, please do your homework, do your research, hit me up, ask me questions. I don't have to do your taxes. Just ask me questions, and I'll be more than happy to help you. All right, gang. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and have a great night.